In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Crypto.com wallet account. We'll set up a new self-custodied wallet in the Trust Wallet app and make sure the Chronos token, CRO, is visible in your portfolio so you can manage it with confidence. Start by opening the Trust Wallet app on your device. Make sure you're using the official app from your app store and that it's up to date. A quick update check helps avoid setup glitches and keeps your wallet secure. From the app's main screen, go to the wallet area and choose the option to create a new wallet. This generates a brand new, unique wallet that only you control. If the app shows any security notices, read them carefully. You're creating a non-custodial wallet, which means no one can recover it for you if you lose access. So the next step is critical. You'll be shown a 12-word recovery phrase. This phrase is the master key to your funds. Write the words down on paper in the exact order shown and store that paper somewhere safe and offline. Do not screenshot it, don't email it to yourself, and never share it with anyone. Anyone who has this phrase can move your assets. Consider creating a second paper copy and keeping it in a separate, secure location. Take your time here. Accuracy matters more than speed. Next, the app will ask you to verify the phrase by selecting the words in the correct order. And this isn't a formality, it confirms you've saved it properly. If something doesn't match, go back to your written copy and double check the spelling and order. Once it's verified, your wallet is officially created. On the main dashboard, look to the top right and tap the search or filter icon. This is how you choose which assets appear on your home screen. Keeping your list tidy makes it easier to monitor what you actually use. Type CRO or Chronos into the search bar, then toggle it on to add it to your portfolio view. Turning this on doesn't buy CRO, it simply makes the asset visible so you can track balances and access its receive and send options when you need them. If you ever manage multiple networks, always confirm you've selected the correct CRO for the Chronos network before initiating any transactions. That's it. You opened Trust Wallet, created a new wallet, secured and verified your 12-word phrase, and added CRO to your portfolio. Keep your recovery phrase safe, lock your app with your device passcode or biometrics, and you're ready to manage CRO with confidence. Thanks for watching and take care of that recovery phrase. It's the key to everything in your wallet.